Hello, my name is Alan, and this is my video demonstration for CMPS 2212. So in this lab, we have event delegation, the closest, and matches. In this video, I'll show you my GitHub repo with all four exercises, and then a brief walkthrough through the code. So, as I said, my GitHub repo here had all four exercises, and then each branch contains a completed code for one exercise, and then each one has, meaningful commit messages. And yeah, the main branch contains the merged final version. So now, first I will have a illustration here for exercise one. First of all, I will show you the console. Okay, it should be open. Yeah, knocks here. As you can see, there is nothing on the console, which means it is working. Um, Now we're gonna talk on exercise one here, the accordion menu. So for exercise one, um, the way it's supposed to work is when I click on a question, it opens the panel. When I click another question, the previous one closes, and clicking the same question again closes it. This is done by using event delegation on the parent list. So let me show you this working here. Yeah, okay. Two. Right. So now this should work. Exercise one here. See? Alright, here we are using the closest, as I mentioned at the start. Now we can look at it in the browser. It should work, as I said, when you click on a question, it opens the panel, and then yeah. So as you can see, it does work. Now I will show you exercise two, the live tag builder. Hmm. Okay. Why is it not working? Well, oh, okay, get it. All right. Exercise two. All right. Now for exercise two, when I type a word and press enter, a tag is created, and then each tag has a remove button. When I click the X on the tag, only the tag should be removed. This works even for like newly created tags because of the event delegation. So we could do anything here, really. Then we could also do the same. Doesn't really check for repetition. And then when I click on the X, it should remove only that tag. Yeah. Now, exercise three. Okay, let me uncomment this out. Okay, exercise three here. Button. It's a filterable card grid. When I click, all cards are shown. And then when I click design, only design cards appear. The active button is highlighted, right? So clicking outside buttons should do nothing. So all is selected and then all cards do show. When I click design, only some cards show. The same applies for the rest. As you can see, the button that is pressed is highlighted. Now, exercise 4 is a inline edit. I should comment this out. Right. Okay, now we have exercise 4. So the way this works is I attach one double click listener, right? Uh, I attach the one double click listener to the parent list instead of each item. And then this would be event delegation. And inside the handler, I use closest, then edit item inside. And we do this to find which item was clicked. If the item is already being edited, I return early to avoid errors. Then I replace the text with an input field that focuses on it. Then I listen for enter, escape, and blur events to either save or cancel the edit. This approach here avoids adding multiple listeners and keeps code clean and efficient. So let me demonstrate it here. You can see it blurs it here. Um, let me get the exercise 4 now. Oh, it's already okay. So if we double click, as we mentioned, you can edit the item here, and if we press enter, it saves. But then if we press escape, it uh reverts back to the original. And yeah. So my biggest challenge for this lab was managing event delegation correctly for this exercise 4. So at first, I had problems understanding the events firing multiple times, but then I understand it by using flag variables and proper checks. This lab helped me, really grasp the topic on like how delegation, the closest and matches work, like how they work together to make better user interfaces. And I also learned more Git usage. And yeah, that concludes my demo for Lab 4. Thank you.